A very good morning. It is really unfortunate that last night near the Torbung area, Kuki militants from the Chuchanpur side fired at the houses of IDPs who have successfully returned to their respective homes under the initiative of the present government led by His Excellency the Governor of Manipur, Shri Ajay Kumar Balaji. I, on behalf of National People's Party, as a leader of the legislature of the party of National People Party in Manipur, would like to highly condemn such an act, which I call it a cruel act. I appeal to the present government that people who are involved in such an act, who is trying to disrupt and derail the peace process, which has been going on for months, with an understanding among all the communities, should be punished and should be given, set an example so that no other factors disrupt the peace process. I would also like to request the present government that necessary precautionary measures should be taken so that there are no intelligence lapses whereby such unfortunate unwanted incidents happen where the peace of the general people is disturbed. I lastly appeal to all the people of all the communities that we all should heartily support the peace process that has been initiated by the present government, and we should try and bring peace and normalcy in the state of Manipur so that the people of Manipur can live peacefully once again. Thank you.